Apparently, it comes and goes. Because he's making an effort. See, he's ready.
staying there, yeah.
He wants to look at this. When he gets bored, he'll just drift off.
You haven't named him yet, Di.
Not yet.
Not yet.
The backwards fish. There he goes again. Oh, weird. Like his head's
Yeah.
like he's at this angle. This is his head.
Tanner, I think this whole thing here would look real nice in your room.
I think so. And you have a living room big enough for this guy.
That's true.
Then
we 5 years. Here it is. 900 months.
It's not 75 and 900. It's
No, 3,902 weeks.
Right.
27,300
leap years.
days. Hours, minutes, seconds.
we're
Leap
into
years.
this.
No, you just gave up on even reading it out loud.
And
Is this true? Batman is also 75?
Yes,
Yeah.
Batman
Yeah,
is
that's right.
75.
What is this? Is 19? What is it? I can't.
Leap years.
Oh,
Leap
leap years.
Yes, we had to calculate all the leap days too.
All right, let's hear
Yeah,
it
we
again.
calculated the 19 extra days for the leap years that Grandpa had been alive for.
That's a flourish.
Next leap year, he can be congratulated that he's been alive for 20 leap years.